I'm a member of Parliament. I'm also a member of the Māori Affairs Select Committee that led the fight against big tobacco, which will see this country become the first smoke-free nation in the Western world by 2025. As a result of what we're doing, we had to call up the officials to explain to us what the TPPA might mean to New Zealand government's ability to prioritise the health of New Zealanders above the trade deals under TPPA. And what we found from the officials was two things. One, they're not in a position to tell us what's going on. And two, the people who are driving TPPA from overseas aren't telling our officials what's going on. So three, the people that John Key said will get to discuss this don't know anything at all about what's going on. It's a flat out lie when John Key says that Parliament will debate the Trans-Pacific Partnership. It doesn't come up in Parliament. We don't get to discuss it on your behalf. We don't get to put it to Select Committee, so as many of you as possible can come and give your point of view, whether you support it or whether you oppose it. The deal is being struck behind closed doors. As far as the tobacco is concerned, British American Tobacco has made it clear that they intend challenging the New Zealand government's decision to work against big tobacco, and they have the ability not just to use clauses from international agreements, but any trade agreement that New Zealand has signed, whether it be with Slovenia or Peru or Afghanistan or anywhere, British American Tobacco can go and take a piece of any one of those trade agreements and use that against our government to ensure that British American Tobacco can sell tobacco regardless of the fact that the New Zealand government and the New Zealand people no longer want it in this country. So, the TPPA is a direct threat to the health of all New Zealanders. And the sooner we understand its implications at that level, the faster we will all realise how much we need to stand together to oppose it. Tēnā koutou, kia ora tātou.